Hey, it's Juliet from WTI. Do you have issues picking at your face? I do. That's why I got these COSRX master patches. So one thing I really like about them is the fact that they stick really well. The part where you peel it off with your finger, sometimes with other patches, that part doesn't stick to your face after, but these stick all around super well. I used a small one on a pimple I had near my nose last night, and it stuck super well even in that oily kind of area. After I washed and cleansed and moisturized my face, there was no problem sticking. And in the morning when I took it off, it had sucked out whatever it needed to, and the area was left a little bit flatter, like there was no longer a pimple there. Normally I would destroy my face and it would be super red the next morning. Bright red, but not so when you use these. So they are super helpful. They stick really well, and I like the size variety that they come in. The tiny one really is tiny and it's not that noticeable, and the big one is great for when you have multiple pimples in one area. So this comes with a great variety. I'm on my second pack already, and it comes with 96 of them. That's a lot. So really great value. They work super well, and that's my point of view.